Welcome back with a new video, man. It's your boy Llama770. We back at it again with a new video, and we got a second POV because my last POV did so good. The people just in the comments saying keep dropping, bro. They love the way my 330i sounds. So we in the M330i with it. You feel me? And we're gonna take it. I'm gonna get some groceries and stuff. So you know, this is gonna be a little quick POV. It's not gonna be that long. But if y'all like this video, click the thumbs up button and click the post notification bell and leave a comment below. Alright guys, little POV action. Don't that sound amazing? Low key, right? Kiddo, what the heck? That's not how it sounds.
Yes, it do. It's all you barking.
That sound lit. And guys, mind you, I had nothing done to the exhaust. This is the stock exhaust with just a tune. Let me know if I should get like a axle back exhaust or, you know, something to make it more loud. But I don't know if I want to put all that money into this car, bro, because, you know, it's still a 330i. And I'm just trying to have fun with it until I get my next thing. You know what I mean? Now we in slow traffic. Could have been with tripping.
Okay, wow.
What?
Stop looking at me. The camera's gonna see me.
So? BMWs. So you want one of these?
No.
Why not? They're too big at the back?
Big. I told you I don't want that shit.
You want the egg-shaped one? Trying to get Kiana into BMWs, but she's like a Mustang person.
I never said that.
Don't you drive a Mustang?
Oh my gosh, you showing off for this camera so bad.
What you mean? I'm not.
Nobody ever. I already told you what car I wanted, and now you're acting brand new.
What do you mean? What do you mean I'm showing off? You wanted one of these? That GT500. My bad. Kiana wants an egg-shaped BMW. I forgot which kind that is. Like an X3, X4, X4. Yeah, I knew it was one of them.
Yep.
I knew it was one of them. Pop, 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 pop. Guys, this is how easy it is just to drop some content, bro. Like, I'm in my consistent bag, bro. I'm dropping videos. I'm gonna try to drop 2 videos a week. Stream maybe like 4 or 5 days out the week. Drop YouTube shorts every day, bro. That's my goal. You feel me? That's my goal, bro. Consistency is key. You gotta keep dropping, bro. I seen the most improvement in my channel last month because I went crazy, bro. We're 1 month into 2025 already. that annoying?
You speed up and you're not going nowhere. Yeah, it's annoying.
Hey, we gotta make it look like we're doing something on the video. Like, if y'all notice, I only do these POVs when I need gas, bruh. Because who wants to drive in sports mode and waste all the gas that you just got? You know what I mean? We're on Sam's Club, right?
Walmart, Sam's Club, yeah.
Alright, guys, we're pulling up at the location, but I don't know if we're gonna go anywhere after this. But I'm definitely, if this is the only place we go to, bro, I'm gonna look cold on the way back, bro. Because it's probably gonna be less traffic on the way back, maybe, hopefully. But yeah. This is like the next day, actually. I just realized I didn't finish the POV and I still didn't get gas. But just get off my job, so I was like, on the way home, I guess on my way to the gas station, I guess I'll do some POV action. Whew, the sun be beaming, boy. I know I probably look so goofy with this GoPro on my head, bro. Cannot make this junk up, bro. We got 26 miles to empty, bro. This is the only time I like doing POVs because, like I said in the last segment, bro, who wants to keep filling up the gas tank? I'd rather do POVs when I need gas anyway. Oh, and we got some people behind me, bro. How am I supposed to even get out the way, bro? Shit. I don't even know, bro. We just stuck in traffic. Go. Maybe I can help him this way. He's just get on through, bro. It's enough space. Yeah, see? Look at me helping people get by, bro. You see, nobody was moving till I moved, chat. Y'all seen that? Nobody was moving till I moved. Oh, and it's a green light. I don't even know if y'all saw that, bro. It's too bright outside, bro. I don't know if the GoPro's good in this highlight. Yeah, we're gonna hit the highway. I'll be taking the local way back, but local way be having too much traffic, bro. Damn, all these people just stopping. Oh shit, I thought he was coming this way. I see a police back there. Time to slow down. I think he coming. I saw that police, bro. Had to get off at this exit, bro. I'm not gonna continue going. I missed my exit. That police stroke failed in my halt, bro. Oh, E46 M3, bro. No. I need to head back on the highway. I wasn't supposed to get off, but I missed my exit check. No. I'm heading back on the highway. I don't even know if I can do this, but that's what we doing. Need some gas soon. Hey, but anybody going through anything, bro, y'all just need to keep pushing, bro. Take it day by day, bro. Don't look and see what other people got, bro, and be like, oh, I need to be in that same spot as them. Because your time is coming, you feel me? Your time is coming, bro. Everybody's, you know, bound to do that. When you see when somebody has something cool or something you want because of money or whatever, bro, and then you be like, dang, how come I don't got that? You feel me? That's not the way to live, bro. I feel like I used to do that. It's not like I used to do that like too much. I'm more of like a guy, like if I see somebody that has something, I can get it, yeah, and I'd be like, I need that too, but really you don't need that junk, you feel me? Like these Jordans coming out this weekend, the 5s coming out, bro, and I'm still debating like if I want them. Not because I can't buy them, but is it the responsible decision to get them? Spend 200 and something on some shoes. Well, really, I get discounts and stuff, but spend that much amount of money on some shoes when I can spend the same amount of money on this BMW. You feel me? I can spend the same amount of money on this BMW and make a video about it and get some of the money back. Maybe not all of the money, but some of the money back. You feel me? Because, you know, I don't get paid that much on YouTube yet, but, you know, get a good amount of money back. Well, probably I will be able to make the whole money back, but you get the idea. Like, just because people are getting stuff or you can get it, even if you can get it, that don't mean get it, bro. You know what I mean? Like me, like, well, that's one thing I need. I feel like I need everything, bro. That's my problem, bro. But I know a lot of you guys, people I used to even go to school with, bro, back in high school, they would see the stuff I have and they'll get mad at me for just having it. And I used to be like, yo, what the hell? But that's life, bro. Don't be jealous of what other people have, bro. I'm just keeping it a bean, like, don't be jealous of what other people got. Everybody going through their own thing. Everybody is in their own path. You feel me? You don't even know how this person got this, you know? So next time you want something and you feel like you want it, but at the same time, do you really need it? Think about that. Think about that. You feel me? Think about that. And now we stuck in some traffic. We stuck in traffic. Augusta traffic. Mind you, I do not drive this junk in sports mode at all. Even though this is the whole point of a stage 2 tune, like this is the whole point. Have fun with it. But one thing I noticed, you can have fun with it, but it takes up gas, like I've been saying. So have your fun where you can. And that's why I like having my fun when I need to get gas anyway. Like I'm 18 miles to empty. As soon as I get off this highway, bro, we heading to a gas station. Because then we're gonna have to spend more money trying to get it towed if we break down, you feel me? So, you know, be responsible, unlike me, guys. And I know y'all said y'all mess with the POV. the last POV. So I'm gonna start spamming them, bro. Different places, different times. Might have a POV a week, cause you know I drive every day. So it's just like, might as well, bro. And it sounds nice, bro. And I enjoy driving it in sports mode, bro. Since the stage 2 tune. If you have a 330i and you thinking about getting a stage 2 tune, or if you don't even have a 330i and you're thinking about getting a stage 2 tune, when you get it, just get it, bro. A lot of people are gonna tell you, a lot of eggheads, I'm gonna call them eggheads, not even assholes, because some people just know, or some people just follow the trends. Yeah, you can save up an extra 12K and get a B58, like what everybody's saying. Even I feel like, dang, like I wish I had a B58, you feel me? But at the same time, I'm blessed to be in this position with a 330i, you feel me? Like I said, don't look at see what other people got, because your time's coming, you feel me? A lot of people gonna say, oh, you should just got the B58, but B58's an extra 12 bands. Nobody, no casual like me, or like you, who's thinking about getting this 330i, got an extra 12 bands laying around, you feel me? So keep that in mind when you in the comment sections of people. And yeah, I mean, it's almost as fast as a B58 now with the stage 2 tune, and it feels fast, it feels amazing, it feels fun. But yeah, it's good enough for now until, you know, we level up. Because on my plan, even though I might go B58 next, my plan would be to just go straight M. You know what I mean? That's my goals. I want to get an M3, M4 maybe. I don't know yet. G82, G80. Tough decision. Or even G87. Depending. You feel me? I don't know. But I'm gonna make that decision when the time comes. I'm still not done with building this car yet anyway, so we gotta, I'm thinking about getting a Maxton, I think it's called Maxton design diffusal for the back, you feel me? And front lips, side skirts, and cordial intake, and then some coil ovals. You feel me? Oh, springs. Might go springs because they're more cheap. But yeah, that's the build. Like that then the build's gonna be done, and then that's it. And then by the time the build's done, maybe a couple more months, then I'm gonna be in a position to get my new whip, because that's my goal. I want an M3. I want an M. That's my goal, bro. That's my goal. But this is amazing at the time, bro. I'm blessed to have this at the time, bro. I'm not even tripping. Probably get gas right here, bro. What's the point of waiting? Probably get gas in this spot. You know me, bro. I don't be filling this junk up, bro. That's why I be getting gas all the time, bro. But hey, you gotta do what you gotta do. You feel me? But yeah, that's the end of the video, guys. If y'all like this little POV, the second POV, let me know, bro. I'm gonna keep dropping them. You feel me? I'm gonna keep dropping them. So stay tuned, bro. And I'm gonna keep pumping this gas and all that good stuff. I'll see y'all next time. Llama 770, hit the post notification bell. Yeah.